Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. It's really simple and easy. So if you are using iOS device or an Apple device, you will be automatically receiving the Google Opinion Rewards directly from your PayPal or whatever payment method that you have set up from your Google. Now, if you are currently using an Android device, there is no way for you to withdraw those rewards or offers from Google Opinions, because what you can only do is just go ahead and spend that rewards or amounts to purchase any items or maybe apps from Google Play Store. All you have to do is, once you have been rewarded for Google Opinions, all you have to do is check on any item or premium application that has on Google Play Store, and you will be able to use those for purchasing it. Again, you won't be able to withdraw Google Opinion Rewards if you are using an Android device. But if you are using an Apple or iOS device, then you will be able to withdraw it using the payment method. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.